welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and today we're going to be working on the garden again. There's some things that need to get done. Number one, I need to cut the lawn. It has overgrown. All the rain we've had so far has been just really making everything grow, which is great for my flowers, but you know, for weeds and things like that, not a good idea. The second thing I want to do is I want to set up a compost bin behind this bench where I am sitting. This bench is going to eventually move, but for now, I mean, I'm going to move it out the way temporarily, but eventually I'll find a different spot, and this is going to be where the composting is going to be. I already kind of started a compost pile here, but right now it's just a bunch of dirt and branches and stuff like that. So I want to organize it a little bit better. I might not finish everything in this video, but I will get as far as I can. It's been raining crazy all week, and so that has delayed a lot of my plans, but we are here. It is nice outside today, so let's get to it.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living.
All right, so this is the area of where I'm gonna put the compost bin. There's gonna be two sections. The first section will start here and go to about right here, and then the other section will go about to right there. So I have some pallets that I want to use to make this. So what I need to do now is remove this greenery here and then kind of dig out this area a little bit so that I can stand up the pallets to make the different sections. So I'm going to do that now.
Things every day, wanna change this feeling, wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying, try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about
So this is one of the pallets that I have that I'm going to use. I grabbed it out of the garbage. I have another one that's like, it used to be a bed frame, so it's like huge, so I have to cut it up. But for now, I'm going to put this one here just to mark the border of where I want this compost bin to be.
the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't wanna try
One side up. It's not super stable. It's probably will get knocked over until I secure it with a piece behind it, and then have another piece in the middle here. But it's a work in progress. I know it's not much to look at now, but yeah, this is the area where I dump all of my like yard clippings and weeds and all the stuff. So some of this I will keep. I don't know. I don't feel like I need to really get rid of it for now. I'm probably going to move some of this over to this side so that I can clear this side up. So let me start on that now.
Try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still
All right, you guys, this is the bed frame I was gonna use and just like cut it up. I might use this for something else. I think what I'm gonna do is for my next video, I'm gonna look for another pallet that's the same size as the pallet I have. I'm gonna look for two more, and then I'll build it out of that, along with the scrap wood that I have. So yeah, I think I'm gonna save this for something else. I don't know, something's telling me save this. And plus having to cut this up is gonna be kind of a pain, but we'll see what I can find. Just kind of like looking around, you know, store bins and stuff like that. As far as this compost area, this area here, I'm gonna plant some more lavender. I have lavender over here. I want to plant lavender and rosemary here. Hopefully with this tree that's right here, it got knocked down or chopped down. Well, most of the branches got chopped off anyway. It won't get fried in the summertime. So this will be a nice little garden bed here. And then it'll probably offset maybe some of the compost smell here. I mean, we'll see how bad it smells. And then I'll finish this in another video. Like I said, I want to get more pallets about this height, this size. So one for here, one for there. And that way I have two separate compost bins. Right, so I'm gonna be putting this bench over here, but I gotta put these pavers down over here to kind of extend out the patio back here. Sorry, my neighbors are having a party, so you might hear loud noises. But anyway, yeah, so this bench is gonna be here, kind of looking onto these two beds here. And I want to paint this bench white, like the arbor is white and the trellis is white and the lattice in the back on the porch is white. So I'm going to paint that white, extend this patio portion out a little bit more. And yeah, so, and then I'm going to add these bricks, more bricks on this side here, just to kind of complete both sides, because you can see the bricks go all the way down. I wanted to go do that on this side as well. Finished getting all of the grass down. It was pretty tall. I know you're probably wondering why I didn't use a lawnmower. I don't feel like fussing with getting a lawnmower out of the basement. It's in the basement. It's easier for me to grab the strimmer, which is right in the garage, and I can just quickly zip it all down. And I don't know, our grass is so uneven. I want to eventually get sod for this lawn, but that's going to be in the distant future, but hopefully not too distant. So the last thing I need to do is to get this pile of wood and put it underneath our deck, because that's where I store old wood or scrap wood. This was donated to me by my aunt, so she wasn't using it, so I took it because, you know, wood is expensive and I can always use scrap wood. So I'm gonna move this to under our deck, and then I think that will be what we're gonna do for today.
Here we go, I put this miserable song on repeat, 'cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care.
Alright, so I got most of the wood up. There's a couple more pieces. I'm gonna take a break and I'll get that later. I'm gonna have to redo this whole patio and, you know, parts of this patio anyway. So when I get to that, then I'll get the rest of this stuff up. This chain link as well. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video. I'm just trying to get the garden in the yard all prepared for all the different things I want to do this summer. And I don't know, I'm sorry for making the video so short. The thing is, when I have to do like physical labor, harder physical labor, I tend to have more back pain and things like that. And I'm sorry to complain in this video, but you know, I'm not a spring chicken. And I have some health problems, so I have to kind of take it easy and not push myself too hard. And hopefully soon I'll start to feel a little bit better, and then I'll get to like full on projects. But the next video will be back inside. We'll be in the hoarder room, working on that, trying to push that project along. And then after that, we'll do some more things outside. So, you know, it's just going to be kind of like a mixture of, you know, organization and cleaning, and also gardening and, you know, making things here in the yard. I plan to do so many different projects this summer, hopefully, if my back will let me and my health holds up. So anyway, I appreciate your patience, and I will see you in the next video. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm, and it pushes my content out to other people, which helps grow my channel. So I really appreciate that if you do that. And if you want to see what I get up to next, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. I really appreciate all of your patience in the last few weeks for kind of like my, you know, inconsistency, I guess is the word. But, you know, hopefully we'll get back on track next week, and I will see you next week. Until I see you next time, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you then, take care.